So after 3 whole months of delays of getting our refrigerator delivered, it is finally here. I just wanted to share a few things that you should do when your fridge arrives. Inspect, inspect. And of course, they put it together for us, but you want to make sure that your extension cord is attached, of course, and you want to air it out. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just letting it air it out. And I have extra shelving on the side. I like this. I'm just so excited about this 3-drawer freezer. Oh yeah, we forgot to take the tape off. Let's do that. And now that I have a new refrigerator, it is time for me to organize. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the food into the refrigerator. I've already cleaned it out. I've washed it. Make sure you wash it really good. I bleached it and I'm letting it air out. That's why my doors are open, and I just wanted to share it with you. And it's dried, and I'll go ahead and start placing my food back inside. But before then, just take one more look. I'm just so excited. I have the best husband in the world, and I am so blessed. And here it is, all my chicken and turkey at the bottom of the freezer. I even have room for my husband's ice cream. Well, he hasn't gotten it yet, but I'm sure he'll fill this area with his favorite ice cream. There's my produce, and there's that okra. I can't wait for a cold day to make gumbo. And my salmon. I love shrimp and salmon. Look at all this room. Look at that. I could see it now. All my fresh produce. Right there. We have our freezer packs in the side for now. And I do a lot of baking. I make sure that we have plenty of flour. Gotta have that in your COVID pantry. And what I like to do is when we purchase the flour from the store, I usually keep it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks, or you could put it in the freezer for a week, and that way it kills the bugs from the store. Oh yes, and here's my crab. You gotta have crab meat in your refrigerator. My favorite. I love seafood. And I finally have space for my Chef's Wonder seasoning. And so I'm just checking the settings on the fridge. Very important that you do this because your dials could have been turned all the way up or all the way down. Very important, especially in this season during COVID-19, that we prepare for the fall and the winter. If you haven't already started your gardens, to go ahead and start seeding. To do everything that you can now if you haven't already, like so many of us have, before the season, the flu season gets here. So I just wanted to thank you for walking with me, and I am Blissful Spaces. I love to garden. I love to share my garden. I love to cook what I grow and a lot of other favorite things. And today, this is one of my new favorite things. Being able to garden and store my fresh produce, where I'm able to stretch or cook healthy meals for my family is very, very important to me. And I just share that wisdom with you. So thank you for joining me. If you are new to my channel, like, subscribe, click the bell down below so you'll be notified on my next video. My next video is gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna cook a pot of vegan chili. Yes, for all my vegan subscribers, I love vegan meals. I love plant-based meals. And so I'm gonna cook a pot of vegan chili, and then I am going to make dishes from that vegan chili for the next 7 days. So I'm so excited to start, and I'm excited to share just some ideas on what you can do with your bean meals. So all right, so let's get prepared for the fall and the winter, and I will see you in my next video. Be loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you soon.